Meaning of disqualify.
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 Disqualify. The term disqualify means to declare someone or something as ineligible or unsuitable for a particular position, task, or activity due to failing to meet established requirements or violating rules. The result of being disqualified can vary depending on the situation. For example, in sports, being disqualified means an athlete is removed from the competition and could face penalties such as temporary or permanent suspension. In a job application process, being disqualified typically means the applicant is no longer considered for the position and won't be offered the role.